Hey everyone, welcome back to Level Up Gamers, your go-to channel for beginner-friendly game development tutorials. In the last video, we made our 2D player move around, collide with objects, and even added simple animations. If you missed that one, I've dropped the link in the description. Go check it out first, because we're building on top of that project today. Now, it's time to take it up a notch. We're adding a jump mechanic to our player. And as always, we'll keep it super beginner-friendly. If you're ready, hit that like button and let's dive in. Open the same project you were working on in the last video. Your player object should already have Rigidbody 2, D-Box Collider, 2D, and maybe an animator if you followed along with the animation setup. We'll be adding the jump function script. Public float jump force, VSO 5VF. This controls how high your player jumps. You can adjust it in Unity's inspector too. Rigidbody 2 TRB, a reference to our player's Rigidbody 2D so we can control its movement. Void. Start runs once when the game begins. We grab the Rigidbody 2D component attached to our player. Void update. This runs every frame. Inside it, we check if the spacebar is pressed using input. Get key down, keycode.space. If it is, we set the player's vertical velocity to our jump force value, rb.velocity, calyx new vector 222, rb.velocity.x, jump force. Only 5 lines of real action code needed. Save the script and drag it onto your player object in the hierarchy. Hit play and press the spacebar. Your player should now jump. If it's jumping too high or too low, adjust the jump force value in the inspector. And just like that, you've added a jump mechanic to your 2D Unity game in under 5 minutes with only 5 lines of code. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Level Up Gamers for more beginner-friendly game development content and smash that bell icon so you never miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Now go build something awesome and I'll see you in the next one. Video Game Sparkles.